Second one is out, running westbound. Okay, there's 4 or 5 out. Wasn't running westbound and into the first south of the vehicle.
911, what is the location of your emergency?
Lovely.
What's going on?
I came out the grocery store, or the corner store, and a group of boys walked up on me with like 4 or 5 guns and took my car, my wallet, everything.
How long ago did this happen?
Like 5 seconds ago.
Okay. And what do the kids look like?
A whole bunch of black kids, young boys.
Okay.
Yeah, they're all
5 of them?
Yeah, like 5. I don't know how many there were, like 5 or 6, like 4 guns at least. And my car is a blue Chevy Equinox, 2018.
Okay. Which one did you
license plate numbered.
Okay.
And they went south on Lily.
All right. You said it was a blue SUV?
Yeah, a Chevy Equinox, 2018.
Okay. All right. And can I have your name? Okay, I got you. I've got this in for dispatch, and officer will be to you.
Thank you.
On September the 22nd, 2024, at approximately 7 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police located a vehicle that was stolen at gunpoint. The vehicle fled, and a pursuit was authorized. The juvenile driver of the vehicle eventually crashed out near the Ohio State House. 2 14-year-olds and 2 15-year-olds were arrested at scene.
That's it. Silver bumper. Does it got Batman?
They take it off. No
oh, yeah. 7664. We got a possible on that 4145. 5th and Peters. Looks like they took the tag off. Call for the chopper. They're pulling out towards Peters.
I copy 5th and Peters. Chopper channel.
Does that look like it?
It says Lash, right?
Yep. Yeah, it looks like they might have pulled the tag off again. Looks like it's matching the flock camera. We're going westbound 5th, coming up to Lexington. Multiple, looks like 4 or 5 male blacks on board. Going north on Walters.
Yeah, heads up, Channel 6 might have that 45.
Couple tags. Again, where's your update location?
Should we light it up?
I'd wait. We're going northbound northbound Walters from 5th. We're going to wait on another car, see if chopper's up.
Northbound Waters from 5th. Ward, did you light it up yet?
No, ma'am. We're going to wait on some cars and chopper.
Okay, good deal. Keep giving us DOT.
I'm going to go eastbound Leona from Walters. I mean, there's no fucking tag. That's the problem, though.
But it says Lash in the bottom corner, doesn't it? On the
camera?
Yeah.
Again, this car has no plate, but on the flock it says Lash above the Equinox, matching the picture on flock. We're coming up to St. Clair from Leona.
Does it have this Batman sticker?
No, ma'am, we do not see any Batman stickers.
Where's the Batman sticker at in the car?
It doesn't show.
Can you see on that original run something about the Batman sticker? Yes, ma'am. On the original run, there's Batman emblems around the license plate and on the back of the vehicle.
There's none on flock, and they took the plate off.
Yeah, it doesn't look like on flock as of 2 days ago there was a Batman sticker. We're southbound St. Clair, coming up to Shoemaker.
Victim said the Batman thing was a license plate cover. They could have been removed.
Okay, yeah, there's no license plate cover on this car. We're coming up to 5th from St. Clair. Is Chopper coming over on this?
Signal on eastbound 5th.
Chopper channel 6, Chopper channel 6.
Chopper's in around St. Clair and Shoemaker.
I copy, sir. Updated location is 5th and St. Clair.
Rockland, approaching 5th.
Signal to go eastbound 5th.
Signaling to go eastbound on 5th from St. Clair.
2-4 right there.
Southwest from St. Clair.
Four, we're 634. Front Leonard in St. Clair.
They're picking up speed. I think they're going to flee. We're going eastbound 5th. We're going to have to light them up.
Basically, percent approved. 8 cards. How many percent approved?
Yep, we're fleeing. We're doing about 60. We're coming up to Joyce. Going to go southbound Joyce from 5th. $76.64 is primary. If you secondary, can call out for us.
2-4, secondary, we're southbound Joyce, Gibbard.
It's 5, can you let Channel 5 know and tell them to push over to Channel 6 here? There's Bob.
We got it. 2-4, still southbound Joyce. Coming up to Maryland Ave. Southbound through Maryland Ave. So now it's southbound Old Champion. Southbound Old Champion. Come up to Atchison.
Yep.
Westbound Atchison. From Champion. Speed of 40. Westbound, past Trovet.
He's going to go south. Try pit it.
Southbound 120th, Atchison.
Good place to pit right there, dang it.
You're good. You're doing good, buddy.
Right here is a good spot.
Yep, you're doing good, brother.
Southbound through Mount Vernon, 120th.
You're doing good, Finchy.
Major 50s.
Yep, try to pit it here, brother.
Coming up to East Long.
Nope, go.
Westbound Long from 20th.
Too many cars.
You're good, brother. It's going to go north.
Northbound Miami from Long.
Choppers overhead, too.
Coming up to Spring. Still northbound. Eastbound Spring.
Look out, kids.
Get out of the way, kids.
Miami. Northbound 20th from Spring. Speeds are 30s. No traffic.
Pit it, brother. Pit it,
Mount
pit
Vernon
it.
from 20th.
There's a guy
The
on
other
a
bike.
bicycle.
Yep, you're good, brother.
So eastbound Mount Vernon, passing 21st.
You're good, no traffic.
Yeah, stop sign.
You're good my way. Yep. Where the
So
fuck is
eastbound Mount Vernon, passing Phillips.
car?
Yep.
Get 2 cars on the off-ramp. Eastbound Mount Vernon, passing Johnson. Coming up to Taylor.
Got the green.
Northbound Taylor from Mount Vernon.
You're good, brother. You're doing good.
Northbound Taylor, passing Harvard. We're coming up to Leonard here in a
Yeah,
minute.
cars, stop it. Pit if you can. Pit if you can.
Emerald from Taylor.
Pit if you can.
Yeah, gotta get a spot.
Passing
There's cars.
Parkwood. Southbound Parkwood from Emerald. Speeds are 40s. No traffic.
Look out, kid.
Yeah, watch out!
Look
Watch out!
Look out, look out.
Eastbound, passing Eldridge. Southbound Woodway.
Armed with guns, and they did the shooting.
Still southbound Woodway, passing Granville. Coming up from Long.
Traffic stop. You're good, brother.
Too long, coming up to Broad.
Yep.
Broad.
That's fine. Then you're gonna get some side. Let's take out.
Hit, yep.
45. We're going too fast.
Traffic stop. Traffic stop.
Westbound.
He's gonna turn.
Up to Ohio. Continuing westbound.
You're doing good, brother.
Okay.
Clear. Yep.
Come up to 71. Okay, here we go.
Yep. Gotta go south on Pit it if you can.
Yep.
South on Park.
Car stopped. There we go.
Okay, continuing southbound Park.
There we go. Get on.
And,
I can't put it there.
right. Westbound on right, influence downtown.
Don't work there.
Passing Depot Park. South France.
Clear my way.
Passing France. There you go, the 4th. Northbound 4th. Continuing northbound on 4th.
Oh, they're at 5. Ugh.
Through 5.
Good my way. Good my way.
Past 12.
Gonna go back on Long. You doing good, Finchy?
Yeah, northbound or eastbound on Long.
Clear my way.
Eastbound on Long.
Can't see. Good my way. Get my way.
Coming up to 71 and across 71.
This fucking dumbass.
Continuing eastbound.
Still east on Long. Okay, he's way up there, dude.
Trevor, how many crews you got with it? What, sir?
Okay. The second one is out, running westbound. Okay, there's 4 or 5 out. Person running westbound and into the first south of the vehicle.
Hey, show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Get on the ground! Hands! You first one, stand up. Get your hands in the air. Turn around. Back towards us. We got at least 2 more back here. Is anyone around that corner? Secure, yeah, we got 2 more. Green shirt, Green shirt, stand up! Get him out of here. Put your hands on your head. Put your hands on your head, face away from me. Walk backwards to the sound of my voice.
Into the building where the car is in front of. One lane is southbound,
White shirt, stand up. Face away from me. Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. You injured? How long have you been on this back?
3. Are you ready? Go.
Hey, shit. Did we clear that back there? Yeah, we did. Okay. All the doors were locked.
underground parking lot in the safety house.
Got 3, right? 2 more?
Yeah, we got 3, 4. I was literally coming down, fighting shit from over the on my mama's forehead. Huh? Workers up.